Class 10th exercise 4.3 chapter 4 question 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? Find here solution. Question one time again repeat. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? So let here let the breadth of a rectangular breadth of rectangular mango grove bx meter and length is rectangular mango grove b 2x मैंगो ग्रोव हुज लेंथ इज ट्वाइस एज ब्रेथ से ट्वाइस है यानी कि डबल. सो वी मेक ए रेक्टेंगल हेयर फिगर breadth is x meter and length is 2x meter. So here breadth is 2s meter. Area of rectangle is rectangular mango grove is equal to length into breadth. So 800 meter square is equal to length is 2x multiply x. 2 and x की पावर हो गया square is equal to 800. So we find x value 800 divided by 2. So this is a 400 is equal to x square. Here x square solve goes under root 400 प्लस माइनस रूट से कोई भी वैल्यू अगर बाहर आती है वो प्लस माइनस में वैल्यूज़ होती है. तो हम इसको 400 का अगर एलसीएम निकालते हैं 2 से 200 2 से 100 2 से 50 2 से 25 एंड 5 से 25 एंड 5 1 जा 5 each pairs is make. So here plus minus 2 into 2 into 5 is x. 5 to the 10 10 20 plus minus में 20 x की वैल्यू जो है +20 एंड x वैल्यू इज़ -20। तो हमारी x20 माइनस प्लस दो वैल्यूज़ आ रही हैं। लेंथ को कभी भी नेगेटिव साइन, लेंथ जो है कैन नॉट बी मेजर एज ए नेगेटिव, कैन नॉट measured negative, cannot be measured negative value. Therefore we have find the breadth of rectangular groove is 20 meter and its length be 2x, यानी कि 2 × 20 यानी 40 मीटर। Hence we solve it. Again एक one time, yes लिखना है, yes it is possible, it's possible design. So we solve it. Here length of breadth of rectangular mango groove is x meter and length is rectangular mango groove is 2x. So area of rectangle mango groove is length into breadth 800 meter square 2x 800 2x square. So x square is 400. x square को हमने x की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए रूट में रखा 400. So here 400 we make pairs and out 2 2 5 2 2 is 4 5 is 20. Here x is 20 meter. So rectangular length cannot be measured नेगेटिव वैल्यू. सो नेगेटिव वैल्यू नहीं होती, इसीलिए हम इस नेगेटिव साइन को -20 को वहीं छोड़ देंगे. देयर आर वी हैव फाइंड द ब्रेथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर ग्रोव इज 20 मीटर एंड इट्स लेंथ इज 2x 2 × 20 40 मीटर. यस इट इज़ पॉसिबल डिज़ाइन. क्वेश्चन नंबर हम 4 करने जा रहे हैं. Question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If the determine the present age, the sum of age of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. Question number 4 जो NCERT का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.3 एक्सरसाइज का है, इसमें हमें सिचुएशन पॉसिबल है या नहीं है इसको देखना है. सो डिटरमाइन देयर प्रेजेंट एज, द सम ऑफ एज ऑफ टू फ्रेंड्स इज 20. दो फ्रेंड्स जिनका जोड़ जो है, दो फ्रेंड्स का सम्स जो है उनकी एज का 20 है, 20 ईयर्स. सो एंड 4 ईयर्स एगो, 4 साल पहले उनकी एज का प्रोडक्ट जो है 48 है. तो हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. सॉल्व हियर. Let the first friend is B X years old and second friend B 20 minus X years old. According to question, according to question, 4 years ago 4 years ago, 4 years ago, first friend is first friend is first friend is x minus 4, and second friend is b 20 minus x minus 4, so 16 minus x there, and product of their ages be 48 is in years 48. So x minus 4, 16 minus 4 is equal to 48. So solve here. X 16 minus 4 minus 4 16 minus x is equal to 48. 16x x square 64 x square is equal to minus 48. So here x square 460 is 64, 4x square. So here 3x square 3x square x square 4 is 64 and 4x. So here minus x square 16 plus 4 20x and minus 64 and is equal to 8 4 12 2 1 carry and 5 6 11 is equal to 0. So we take common minus x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. So minus is equal to 0. So x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. We solve the factors as a quadratic equation. Comparing quadratic equation with quadratic equation. So quadratic equation here x square minus 20 x plus 112 is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to 112. So solve d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 20 का whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 112. 20 सा 20 को 20 से इंटू किया तो 400 minus 4 2 सा 8 4 1 जा 4 4 1 जा 4. Here result is 400 minus 448 minus 48. Minus 48 is d d d is equal to less than 0, so it is not real. It is not real roots. It is not real roots. Minus 48, this is not real roots. Hence, it is not possible. It is not possible situation. It is not possible situation. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th करेंगे. Question number 5th is possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area is 400 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. Here again we repeat question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter is 80 meter and area is 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So we solve it. Let we make a rectangle. Here this is breadth and breadth and this is length. Let करते हैं. Let a rectangular park breadth bx, breadth be x meter and length be y meter. So पॉसिबल डिज़ाइन हमें बताना है. पार्क का पेरीमीटर 80 मीटर है, तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल 2 ब्रैकेट में l प्लस बी, यानी कि here पेरीमीटर इज 80 इक्वल टू 2 प्लस 2 ब्रैकेट में l प्लस बी. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 80 मीटर. सो 2 सॉरी लेंथ को हमने रेक्टेंगल पार्क ब्रेथ जो है हमारा x मीटर है और लेंथ इज y मीटर. सो लेंथ हमारी y और ब्रेथ जो हमारा x है. सो हेयर 80 इक्वेशन y प्लस x टू इज राइट. 80 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 40 इक्वल टू y प्लस x इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. एरिया एंड इस एरिया ऑफ rectangular park is 400 meter square. So area of rectangular park is 400 meter square. So area of rectangular area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So area is given 400 meter इंटू लेंथ को हमने y से रिप्रेजेंट किया तो y इंटू एक्स. सो वी टेक हियर 400 upon y is equal to x. Here equation is second equation put in first equation. So 40 y plus 400 upon y. So solve his. Take here LCM y 1 and y. LCM is y. So here y upon 1 into my y upon y plus 400 upon y is equal to 40. So solve its. Equation is, again we write here 40 is equal to y square by y square by y plus 400 upon y is LCM, so y square plus 400 is equal to 40. Sorry, again repeat here. 40 is equal to y into here 1 by 1 and y LCM y, and 40 is equal to y multiply y 1 divided by y and plus 400 upon y. Take here 40 plus y upon y 400 y is cross multiply 40y is equal to y square plus 400. So y square plus 400 minus 40y. This is our quadratic equation. Y square minus 40 y plus 400. We solve the pure quadratic equation. Here compare equation, comparing quadratic equation with ay square plus byc equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40, and c is equal to 400. So b square, discriminant method, b square minus 4ac minus 40 square minus 4 into a is 1 and 400. So 40 4 is 1600 minus 1600. So we solve it. Here value is 0, d is 0, equal roots, and d is equal to 0. So then y is minus b plus रूट में d oblique में 2a and another y is equal to minus b minus रूट में d oblique में 2a. Here d is 0, so minus b oblique में 2a. When both values are same, minus b by 2a. b की वैल्यू जो है हमारी क्या है, माइनस का 40 माइनस 2a, a है 1 and again minus 40 upon 2 into my 1. So y value is 20 and y value is 20. Y value is 20, so we find easily x value. repeat. Here y value is 20, so our equation is that x plus y is equal to 40, and here equation is x plus y is equal to 40 and y is equal to 20. We have get y is equal to 20 meter, so x is equal to 20 is equal to 40, so x is equal to 40 minus 20, x is equal to 20. Here x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 20 meter. We length of rectangular park is 20. Length of rectangular park be 20 meter and breadth of rectangular park is 20. Breadth and length both are 20. So we solve very easy to this. I will also understand this question. Repeat here. Question number 5. Is it possible design a rectangular park? Perimeter is 80 meter and area is 400 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. तो let rectangular park breadth भी x मीटर and length भी y मीटर. तो perimeter 2l plus b, so 80 meter to y plus x. Y plus x is equal to 40. This is first equation. 40 y plus x. Area of rectangular park is 400 meter square. So area of rectangle, length into breadth, y into x, 400 meter. So here x की value हमने find की 400 upon y. Second equation put in first equation. And solve it. 40. Here y oblique 1 and 400 upon y. Solve its equation. 40 is equal to y square by y and 400 by y. So we solve it here. Equation solve. 400 by y square 400. Here 40y y square by 400. Y square minus 40y 400. Y square minus 40y 400. Comparing the quadratic equation, we find here ay square by plus c is equal to 0. A is 1, b is minus 40 and c is 400. B square 4 4 is 1600. 4 4 is 1600. D is equal to 0. Equal roots. So value of y is same, minus b by 2a. Here d is 0. D is 0. B square minus 2a. My 40. 2 से divide किया 20 and 20. Y is 20. So x plus y equation is first. We have y is equal to 20. Put in equation first. So x plus y की वैल्यू हमने 20 इसमें रख दी. Y plus 20, x की वैल्यू हमारी आ गई 20 मीटर. X is 20 meter, y is 20 meter. Length of the rectangular park is b 20 meter and breadth b rectangular park is 20 meter. Hence we solve the exercise very easy, and student also make this concept in her mind and solve this sum very easy. Thank you. Yes, we make a rectangular part of this design and solve it. Thank you.